Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display WP form from drop-down list using custom code in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using WP form plugin and we have multiple form. So we are going to display specific form from drop-down list. So when user select form name from drop-down option, then we are going to display selected form. Now you see we have download file form, newsletter sign up form, and then you see short code we are using in custom code. Now go to page and we are going to add custom code. Now go to notepad and then you see select name, WP form ID, my select, on change my function. So we are calling my function when customer select drop down name, and then you see option value, select WP form from drop down, and then you see we have two forms. So we edit option value 1, form 1, and then you see form name. So you can add form name according to your requirement, and then you see option value form 2, value form 1, value form 2, and then you see div ID form 1. Now you see div ID match with option value form 1, again form 2, and then you see short code WP form ID 2788. Back to website, go to WP form. Now you see short code we are using in custom code. So you can add your form short code. Now back to notepad. If you want to add more, copy option value and then paste and then change value form 3 and then add your form name, again copy this value and then paste and then change ID value to match option value form 3, and then you see class section. Now copy this code, back to page. Now go to page. So you can add this code in any builder plugin. So it's up to you, and we are using Elementor builder. Now click on it and then in search widget write HTML and then drag and drop here. Now paste and then click on update. Now update done, go to form page and refresh the page. So first we are going to check drop down. Now you see drop down show. Now back to page and go to notepad again, and then you see script code. Now copy and then you see my function, and then you see get element by ID, my select, and then you see section class. Back to page, again click on it, HTML code. Now drag and drop. So you can add this code in any page builder plugin. We are using Elementor builder. Now paste and then click on update. Now page update done, go to form page and refresh the page. Now you see by default our form is hide. Now drop down select and then form select. Now you see form display. Now select another. Now you see this is our another form. Now select, again you see. So in custom code you can add your form code. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.